These are the tables. The height is perfect once I get the couches delivered. And the other 3 tables I'm ordering, I'm going to have 1 more right here and 2 are going here. They are set up for behind our sectional that we've ordered. But I love them because we wanted a little bit of extra charging stations and a little bit of a ledge to separate it off the window wall and provide some kind of ledge to set something on if needed. So they are really nice. They were easy to put together. In fact, my kids put them together, my 13-year-old boys. So yeah, they're pretty top heavy. Do not have them mounted to the wall. They do come with brackets and things to mount them to the wall. My only concern was that this one comes in, this is the larger table, the longer one, and it came in 2 pieces, but honestly, probably won't even notice once we have something sitting up there. And I think that's for the fact that you can actually change the position of this. So you can actually turn this and have it more in the center of the table, or have the option to put it on this end of the table. So I think that's the reasoning behind that. So I guess not a bad idea at all. Can't wait to see the final product once our furniture is here.
Got this for the back of my chairs, and it's a very good fit for this situation right here. Just a little gap back here, but ain't no problem. But it doesn't take long to assemble if you are very good at assembling things. I never use these because I had some reviews say they like to burn out really quick, so the plugs are pretty good, and it saves a whole lot of space. So I just got this hooked up to my fan, but I never use the USB 2.0s here. I just seen a couple bad reviews about it, burning up phones and everything, causing it to run hot. So that's the only gripe I have about it. But overall, the spacing is good, long enough for where I need it to get it off the wall. So yeah, good place to have other things to hide back here, like your cup to put down, remotes and stuff. But yeah, don't mind that. That's dirty. I have to clean that. So yeah, it's a good buy if you have this type of situation right here. Just want to have the couches off the wall.
So I have window curtains that are pretty long. I had to leave some space between my couch and the window to freely allow the curtains to move. But now I have this gap between my couch and the wall. Pillows get back there, toys, remotes, even my kids will get behind here and make it a real nuisance. I needed something skinny or narrow to fill in this void. Then I found this super convenient console table. It was the perfect size between my curtains and behind the couch. It served not only a purpose to close this gap, but now it can hold our remote controllers, charge our iPad, charge our iPhones, and a place to put our drinks if we needed to. I'm all about aesthetics and function, and this piece definitely served that. Love it.